Huawei's budget-friendly Honor sub-brand has released the follow-up to the 6X, its fiercely competitive mid-range offering, the Honor 7X. Now sporting a body constructed entirely of aluminum, the 7X steps up the class factor from its partially plastic predecessor. Adding to this aura is the inclusion of an 18:9, 5.93-inch screen with minimal bezels to match. Throw in dual cameras and Honor's typically quick performance, and you have a lean, mean $200 mid-range machine. But is it enough to knock off more recognizable and similarly equipped competitors? In the box. Honor 7X. Micro USB charging cable and adapter. SIM tool. Call quality. Calls sounded great on the Honor 7X's earpiece, coming through intelligibly, albeit a little quieter than we'd like. The speakerphone was also quite clear, but like the earpiece could use just a bit more room for louder situations. Battery life. The Honor 7X seemed to have no trouble lasting through a day of regular or intensive use. Clocking in at about 8 hours on our custom battery drain test, these results line up pretty well with our impressions. Lacking USB 3.0 or any quick charge standards here, the 7X takes a creeping 2.5 hours to recharge the 3340 mAh battery from 0 to 100%.